Hello and welcome to Learn to Code with Mac. Today, as this first video, we're going to work on our first lesson. Our first lesson is block code. We'll be working on lesson 1 of unit 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to microbits. Microsoft Microbit is what we're going to search up. We're going to click Microsoft MakeCode for Microbit. This is what we're going to use for block code. So what I'm going to do, because I've already made one, well, what we're going to do is we're going to click New Project. Actually, no. And you're going to create a project, but you're going to make a name, but that's not what I'm doing. I am going to look for the code input. My projects, view all. Guess I'm unable to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click New Project. So Learn to Code with Mac, Lesson 1, Unit 1. So right now it's creating it. So what I'm going to do, so we don't need to take a tour of the editor. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to do some basic. So we go Input, button A. This is basically the simplest we can get so far. I'm going to grab another one. I'm going to label this one button B. I'm going to click Basic. This is just for our first lesson. You can get more complex with block code, but for now, what we're going to do is we're going to grab Show LEDs. I'll put one there. I don't have a physical microbit right now. And we're going to grab another one and put it in there. So this is pretty simple. Now what we can do is do that. Oh. And that. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm actually going to grab a show string, put it up there, so it's grayed out. I'm going to throw these out. I'm going to trash those. I'm going to grab Input. I'm going to grab another one of these. Now I click it and set it to AB. Now I put my show string button in there. I'm going to go. I'm going to do that. So now what I'm going to do I'm actually going to change this. So what you can do is you can put your initials in there. So I'm going to show my first initial, my second initial, and my name. So that's my first, well, part of my first video. So now we're going to go down to advanced. Most of these we can't use right now, but what we can use is game. Nope, never mind. That's too complex. So what we're going to do is go math, maybe. Depends on how complex this is. Oh, yep. Those are not what we're looking at right now. Now input, so we're going to do a compass now. And this one only works on microbit V2 if you have a physical one. Now we're going to go and point that to north. Put play. If I push that, it points north. So we don't want that anymore. So what we're actually going to do is I'm going to try with LED. No, that no, we don't want plotting yet. We're going to go basic again.
Okay. What?
So we're going to look for something that'll be simple, such as why don't we get into radio? Oh, no, not yet. Loops. So now we're going to get into loops. So now we stick that in there and put that in there. And that should loop 4 times. Okay, it's looped 4 times. Okay, so that's the basic lesson of lesson 1. And how you download your code, you press that. But we don't want that. And so click next and we'll click download as file. Now it's downloaded onto the computer. Now I hope you have a great rest of your day. Or a great rest of whatever you're gonna do.